This jump demonstration shows how to make a line graph. We're using the SAT by year data from Jump Sample Data folder. A line graph displays a continuous variable on the y-axis, indexed across some other variable on the x-axis. To create one, go to Graph, Graph Builder. Put a continuous variable on the y-axis. Here we'll use SAT verbal scores, and another variable on the x-axis. Here we'll use year. Then select the line icon in the palette at the top of the window. Graph Builder creates a line graph of mean SAT verbal scores over time. If you'd like to display the individual data points, just drag the points icon onto the graph. And if you want the line to represent a statistic other than the mean, just change the summary statistic found under the line element options to the left. Additional variables can be added to a line graph to compare lines across levels of that other variable. For example, adding region to the Group X drop zone creates separate graphs by region, all broken out along the x-axis. Or adding region to the overlay drop zone creates a separate line for each region, overlaid inside a single graph frame.